Just bought a brand new car. Congratulations. But wait, before you hit the road, let's talk about something super important: car insurance. Making the wrong choices can cost you thousands. So today, I'm giving you the top car insurance tips for your new car that every new car owner needs to know. And hey, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and bell icon so you never miss smart car tips like these. Section 1. Choose the right type of coverage. First up, understand the types of coverage. Liability covers damage you cause to others. Collision covers your own car if you crash. Comprehensive protects against theft, fire, weather damage, and more. For a new car, you'll definitely want comprehensive and collision. Skimping here, not worth the risk. Section 2. Consider gap insurance. Tip number 2, get gap insurance. If your new car gets totaled, your standard policy pays the market value, not what you still owe. If you're financing or leasing, GAP, Guaranteed Asset Protection, covers that difference. Total lifesaver. Section 3. Shop around before you buy. Don't just take the first quote your dealer recommends. Compare rates online. Use tools like compare.com, the Zebra, or even your bank's website. A few minutes of research can save you hundreds per year. Section 4. Bundle for discounts. Got home or renter's insurance? Bundle it with your auto policy. Most companies offer big discounts when you combine coverage. Section 5. Adjust your deductible. Higher deductible, your lower monthly premium. If you can afford to pay more out of pocket in an emergency, set your deductible to $1,000 instead of $500 and watch your premium drop. Section 6. Don't forget safety and anti-theft discounts. Install anti-theft devices or even a dash cam. Many insurers give discounts for that. Some even reward features your car already has, like lane assist or automatic braking. There you have it. Smart, simple car insurance tips to protect your shiny new ride and save money too. Smash that like button if you found this helpful and comment below with any questions. I reply to every single one. And don't forget to subscribe for more money-saving tips for car owners.